great reviews. So I thought कि कुछ तो अच्छा देंगे वो लोग. Okay. And
हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ नायका हॉल. जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि अभी रिसेंटली नायका पे सेल लाइव थी और मैंने भी उस सेल में कुछ शॉपिंग की है. सो लेट्स गो एंड सी व्हाट ऑल आई गॉट इन दिस सेल. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ओपन द पैकेजेस सो दैट आई कैन सी इफ एनीथिंग इज ब्रोकन और नॉट and I need to replace it or not. Let's see what all I got. So this is all the products I got. I have opened all the packages and put all the products inside this one so that I can show you directly. This is a Nykaa's Lux box. The first thing I got is this eye cream. This is from Eucerin Anti-Pigmentation Dark Circle Corrector Eye Cream. It has a patented formula which contains thiamidol. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, which says it corrects your dark circles and give you a fresh and awake look. So I don't know if you can see or not, but I have quite prominent dark circles. I have seen someone recommending this eye cream, so I wanted to give this a try and I wanted to see if this can reduce my dark circles or not. Moving along, the next thing I got is this Chemist at Play deodorant. This is, I think, in Aqua fragrance. This contains 5% AHA. This says it controls the body odor and prevent darkness under your eyes. So I wanted to try this. This is my first time trying it out, and I will keep you posted if this works or not. Next thing I got is this Requil's Dandruff Control Lotion. This is a pre-wash lotion, so you have to apply this on your hair before you wash your hair. And it says it reduces flaky dandruff, soothes itchy scalp and relieves inflammation. कुछ टाइम से आई नोटिस दैट मेरी स्कैल्प जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा इची हो रही है एंड इवन आफ्टर आई एम यूजिंग अ एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू इट्स नॉट गेटिंग soothed. So I wanted to try something to soothe it. That's why I've got it and I'm going to use it and I will give you my review how this works or not. Next I've got this Mars Matte Mousse lipstick. This is pretty viral right now. I think some time back it was out of stock for quite some time and I wanted to give it a try but I could not get my hands on this sale. I thought let's try it and I've got this in the shade 03 Queen, which is quite a famous color. Let me show you how the bullet looks like. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is a matte bottle and I think the bottle is color coded as well. So yeah, this is what I got. Another thing which I got is this Swiss Beauty lip oil. This is a shimmering lip oil and this is in the shade Nude Flash 01. I don't know if you can see, it has some shimmer particle. So this is what I got. I will try all this in a separate video. Next product I got is this Insight Brow Tattoo. This is in the shade, I think, gray. Yeah, I wanted to try a brow gel for quite some time, but I don't want to invest too much on the brow product. This is quite inexpensive and this comes, I think, in 3 shades and I got the gray one. Next I got this cotton pad. This is just to apply some maybe toner or if you want to remove your nail paint and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Nothing special about it. Next I got this eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks and when it came these shimmer shades were cracked, so I just repressed them and this is how it looks. This is just basic your neutral colors. Next I got is a Plum's Oso Pistachio body lotion. I don't have it right now with me, but I will insert a picture of it. So I have already tried Plum's Vanilla Caramello body lotion and their Hazelnut Eclairs body lotion. Also their Marshmallow Melt as well. Okay, I've already tried these 3 and then I wanted to try the next fragrance. Okay. So मेरा बॉडी लोशन खत्म हो रहा था तो मैंने सोचा लेट्स गो एंड ट्राई लास्ट वन. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दैट. उसका फ्रेग्रेंस ठीक है बट इफ आई हैव टू रैंक ऑल ऑफ दीज so for winters hazelnut one will be at the top and then the marshmallow and then the vanilla caramello and then I think I will put this pistachio one at the end. The next thing I got is this Chemist at Play ka body wash. I think I got this roll-on and that body wash as a combo. I have strawberry skin. Okay, so I wanted to try something to get rid of and I've heard great reviews, so that's why I got this and I have not yet opened it because I already have some body lotions that are currently I'm using. Once those are done, I will open it and use it and see if claims are actually true. The next thing I got is this Ceramide Mochi Toner from Tony Moly. That is very famous and I've heard so many great reviews about that toner that it gives a glass skin and makes your skin super smooth, bouncy and supple. So I wanted to give it a try, and that time it was going on a great offer, and I think it comes around 1500 regular price, and I got it maybe 780, 790, and that is like 50% off, right? So I thought that this is the best time to buy that, because it is a 500 ml bottle. So 750 for a 500 ml bottle, I think that is a very great decent deal I got. I will insert the picture here. The next thing is this lipstick from Lakme 925. This is the weightless matte mousse lip and cheek color, and in the shade nude cushion. So I wanted to try a nude lipstick. So now comes the freebies. So for all these purchases, I got 2 freebies. So one with this Eucerin eye cream, I got this Eucerin triple effect cleansing gel. This is 20 ml. I can try this and see if this is any good or not. The next thing I got free gift. नायका पे कुछ तो ऑफर चल रहा था कि अगर आपका ऑर्डर ना मिनिमम अमाउंट से ऊपर है तो आपको कुछ फ्री मिलेगा. सो आई थॉट कि कुछ तो अच्छा देंगे वो लोग. ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट दे गिव मी. दिस इज अ अर्थ रिदम एरी वेरी लिप मूव. सो आई गॉट एक्साइटेड. लेट मी शो यू व्हाट दे गिव मी. This is what they gave me. This is a mousse kind of a lipstick. Okay, but look at the color. This is what they gave me. This is a bright magenta fuchsia kind of pink color, which I don't think so I'm going to use, and I don't think so कि इसको कौन ही लगा पाएगा. ठीक है, I will show you the color. This is how it looks. कैमरा पे आपको ये फिर भी म्यूटेड लग रहा होगा, but in real life this is a very चटाक pink color. Okay, and I don't think so I'm going to use this. If you want to give something, give them a shade that they can wear. और अगर नहीं दे सकते तो फिर इसका देने का क्या फायदा. These are all the products that I got, and let me know what all products are your favorite and you have already tried. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.